So here is another video on engineering drawing tout series, video number 4. And here we go. This comment has been posted by Thangavir. Sir, I have a doubt in some explanations. They are using a different method where when the question is like pentagonal pyramid resting on one of its edges, okay, resting on one of its edges. We're talking about a pentagonal pyramid. One of the edges on HP. They are considering and drawing the edge on the right side. Okay, and corner is drawn to the left. Why and how is that possible? You know what, when I solved this problem is basically from the University of Mumbai, appeared in the year 2024 December. So the solution that I have made there, I have considered the edge onto the left and the corner onto the right, and the solution that Thangavel has seen is exactly opposite. So he might have got confused which one of the solutions is correct. So let me clear all the doubts. Don't worry, watch this video right till the end. Just 5 minutes and you will be through. Here we go. Let me take you to AutoCAD straight away. Take a look and let's read the question as well. A pentagonal pyramid of base 40 mm and axis 70 mm long, okay, stands on an edge of the base. It stands on an edge of the base. How many edges are there on the base? As many as 5 edges, out of which one edge is in contact with HP. That is exactly the meaning of standing on an edge of the base, okay, with its axis inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. So you can clearly see here it is standing on the edge of a base. Simultaneously, the axis over here is making an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal plane. Okay, very well. So conditions fulfilled, no problem. Now read further. And top view of the axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. If you watch, top view of the axis. Let me show you the top view. The axis is somewhere here. Okay. The axis is exactly below this edge. Okay. So I couldn't draw the axis. But it is here. Just below this edge. Getting overlapped. Making an angle of 30 degrees. Not the axis, but the top view of the axis. Please note this. And it is in this condition you have to create the front view and the top view. So it ultimately looks like this. This is your final front view and this is your final top view. Let me just show you the 3D arrangement. Since the axis is inclined to HP, so our initial assumption, according to the standard procedure, is we are going to assume that it is standing with its base on HP, and then we just need to think. We just need to think from where can we see the true shape of the base. The true shape of the base can be seen from the top. So again, you can make a top view in this fashion, straight edge on the left, corner on the right, or you can make the top view in this fashion, straight edge in the right and the corner to the left. Both of them are correct. However, if you notice, the way you have to incline becomes different. Here the angle taken is clockwise with the axis. Okay, you just need to recreate the front view from step 1 into step 2. Okay, this way. And if you start with this as your top view, corner to the left, straight edge to the right, this is how your inclination should be. So this is how the angle has to be taken, 45 degrees. I hope you got this. Okay, and step number 3 is very simple. You just need to make sure that the axis which is exactly below this edge, right? The axis which is exactly below this edge will be making an angle of 30 degrees. Can I show you this? Yeah, here it is. The axis is getting overlapped. Okay, 30 degrees. You can do it in this fashion. You can also do it in this fashion, this way also. Okay, this is the anti-clockwise sense. This is the clockwise sense. So both the solutions are correct. But please make sure whenever you have been asked to, if it is standing on an edge of the base on HP, okay, if it is standing, then one edge will be in contact with the horizontal plane always. It is in solution number 1 as well as it can be seen in solution number 2. Yeah, this one edge in contact, whereas the axis is making an angle of 45 degrees with the HP. And finally, what you get to see is this. The top view of the axis is making an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical plane. I hope and I certainly believe that I have made myself absolutely clear. If still there are doubts, shoot them to me. Thank you very much.